today's installation, we're gonna turn this into this. Let's go.
I've got this massive picture window which looks out to a mountain and it's beautiful, but at night people can peer in and they can see some inappropriate things. And so we are going to purchase this rolling shade. This is a Roman shade, they're called. These are all the accessories that have come with it. Comes with all the screws, even drywall anchors. Although we will be screwing this into some wood up top. I measured it exactly. I put my dimensions in. This is what showed up in the mail, nicely packaged. So let's go ahead and install this. Step number one, before installing any hardware permanently, you are going to place your roller shade right in the windowsill, and you are actually going to determine whether or not this will actually fit. I don't want you to be in a position where you've mounted all the hardware and it turns out it doesn't actually fit. So yes, that is very, very snug down there, but so far so good. It is measured correctly. If you measure your window and you submit those dimensions to them, they will cut it precisely to size. So the most important step is measuring it correctly before any kind of ordering is done. I want to show you the overall concept of how these mounting brackets actually work. It's rather ingenious. I've never actually played with these before, but this L-mounted bracket, it goes right up there. Now look closely. See how this is spring-loaded like that? Pretend this goes and mounts right up there. Well, now we're going to show you on the actual shade itself. And so once this is mounted above your window in the sill, this is going to go right in like that, and then it sinks down and it locks into position. And then to disengage it, you simply push this way and then up we go. Isn't that ingenious? Now the question on where to actually mount these things. So you are going to be spacing these equidistant across the top on the inside, and I would recommend mounting these as close as humanly possible to the actual window itself. So that allows the shade to be sealed as much as possible up close to the window, and that will reduce as much light spillage coming around as much as possible, which of course is the point of your shades, to block out the light. Once all of your brackets are mounted, you're going to go ahead and take this face off like so. And this is Velcro. It's very easy to take off and put back on, but you're just going to temporarily lay it down like this. And now that gives you enough room to work with, taking this whole thing and mounting it on the brackets. I actually recommend 2 people to hang this, not just yourself, but finally it got up. Let's go ahead and sample opening up this. So how Roman shades work, you kind of have to sort of bundle it up. Of course, I'm just using one hand. And then to pull it down, you can easily use one hand. Look at this, it just pulls right down, seals in all the light. As a matter of fact, let's show you right here what it looks like in daylight. Look at how blacked out it is compared to just our regular curtains on the right. Yeah, this is gonna be phenomenal. I just am so happy.